Welcome to Noah's Laugh-Land. You is?
Noah.
I is?
Daddy-o.
Daddy-o. Okay, today we are looking at X-Shot. So what we got here? You got Enigma. X-Shot Enigma, and I've got X-Shot Game Over. It says Game Over all over it. What have you got on yours?
Danger.
It's like a big, see, like a dinosaur or a reptile.
It says danger.
Where does it say danger? Oh, the little sign for danger. Mine says danger on it as well. Okay, here. Okay, these are for 8+, okay? Noah here is 6+, okay? But it's okay with a little bit of supervision here. But make
don't
sure
hit it at the eye.
Exactly what I was about to say. Be careful, don't fire at the face, and watch your eyes, okay? Under adult supervision, we should be able to play, and we'll play safely. You ready to get these bad boys open?
Yeah.
Let's do it! Then.
Yeah!
Let's go! What are we waiting for? I am an adult. That's why it's for 8+. Super strict. Okay. Don't rip these things out yet. Okay, let me take this off here. Oh, they're twisty. Can you twist them inside?
I got the bullets.
Okay, put them next to mine. Okay, mine is off. Bit of instruction. Do you want me to help? That's it. Put it back. Less than you twist. Okay, make sure nice and secure. Twist them around. It's coming off. They're like kid screws. There you go.
I got it.
You got it?
This one is.
That one's off.
This one is.
Here you go. Okay, all of them
Why
done.
these are so tiny?
So here we go.
So tiny.
Mine says Game Over. Okay, yours is the Enigma. Pretty cool. Mine's got a few like Space Invaders on it.
Yes,
And sure yours is a dinosaur. They come with, 1 second, they come with how many bullets each? 8 foam bullets each. Remember, don't fire them at the eyes. All we're going to do here, just to see how good these things are, we're going to load them up. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 targets here. Okay, volunteer targets. Okay, did you fire anything? Okay, we practice. So what we're going to do, you've got 8 bullets, I've got 8 bullets, we've got 7 targets. We're going to see how many it takes us to shoot these things down, and then we're going to go out and have some more fun with these. Okay, let's load them up. How do you load them up? Just rip it open and just put them in and pull back, yeah? There's my 8 bullets coming out. Okay, let me let me clear this out of the way. Clear the range, clear the range. You got to call out your target first though, you got to call out your target. Which one are you going for?
I'm going for the blue one.
Well, there's lots of blue. Which blue one? That blue one?
Oh my god, that's
You got him! Look at you!
That is so strong!
I'm gonna go for this green one here. Yeah, you ready? There you go. This is pretty powerful guns here. This is why you can't. Check you out! One shot. Put it in one hander, put it in. Away we go. Boom! Ah, that was a bit of a letdown, that end result. Put them in. Pull it out. I'm going for this one. You going for the blue one? You're going upside down.
Ah! I just knocked one down.
Did you knock it down with the bullet? Oh, sorry. Remember when we're doing this, okay, make sure you point the gun down and pull it up, okay? Because if it's up like this and you manage to hit it, the bullet can go flying anywhere. They're foam, but they got some rubber tips on there. We want to make sure we keep them away from people, yeah? So, you see your target?
Oh no!
Pull it back, load it up again. Remember, keep it pointed down. That's it. Keep it away from you.
Find the hole! Adios, amigo.
Adios amigo. Adios amigo. Got it. We ready to go? Okay. We ready to go out and have some more fun with these?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is a great little toy. 8+, remember, gotta keep it safe. Keep it away from people's faces. You make sure it's got a little holder here. I think this is a big thumbs up for me. What about you?
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. So both big thumbs up. We'd love you.
No, triple thumbs up.
Whoa, is that good?
Yeah.
There you go. You heard it here first. A triple thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. And what else are you going to say?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.